Today we are going to install a set of Talon grips on a GLOCK Generation 5. I know they're Talon grips because that's what it says on the sticker and the package. Here is the Talon grip. So we're going to do this together. It's going to be a work in progress. I have pre-cleaned the area and let it dry already, so we didn't have to go through that. It's nice and clean. I want you to start off on the left side of the gun on the frame, and you see there is a little cutout there for the GLOCK branding, so it's a good way to start your lining up of the grip. Takes a little bit to get them off sometimes, but that's good, you know they sticks well. Okay. Trying to get it just right over that little GLOCK logo. And I always tell you to roll it, not stretch it. So that's what we'll try to do. Not that way. See, once you get it really, really close to the bottom of that mag well. What's going on? Lining it up right where all the little lines and grooves are. They say not to stretch it, but you can give it just a little gentle stretch around some of these places. It never hurts it. But you just want to be careful to keep all the air bubbles out. That's why when I say to roll it, a little piece of debris there, get that off. And I can already see that it's going to be a little bit that's going to need to be tucked in. So a little bit of a flap's going to be left over, so we're not going to overlap that. We'll just go ahead. That's why I didn't put this down too hard. It's very easy to move these until you actually heat them up. Okay. Go ahead and roll all this over. Okay. Just check it for air bubbles, rub them out. I know pretty good. Push down on them real good, get them, make sure it's right where I want it. Then I'm going to just take the hair dryer. I'm going to heat that up. Heat it up. Smash it in. And I'll repeat the heating process 4 or 5 times. Basically, I'll just get it as hot as I can handle it without getting burned. They say not to get it over 130 degrees, so they don't want you to actually melt the material, but if you just get it where you can barely hold on to it, you're not going to melt anything, you're not going to burn yourself. So I'm going to do all the heating up and hair drying off camera, but you can see how that turned out. Very nice. They're $17.99 on the Talon site. There are discount codes available out there. So, hope you got something out of this. Thank you.